Today, beauty is not being defined by ideal standards, but rather how people choose to define it for themselves. My Hair, My Canvas is an extension of the Alterna hair care experience, made for those who want to create their own moments of luxury their own way. That's why My Hair, My Canvas inspires bold, stylish self-expression for maximum impact on the look and feel of hair with minimal impact on the environment. Each product is made with 100% vegan formulas and packaged in eco-friendly 50% post-consumer recycled plastic. Like every Alterna product, My Hair, My Canvas is formulated without SLS, SLES sulfates, parabens, and other harsh chemicals. Alterna is excited to announce additions to the My Hair, My Canvas roster, introducing the Restore collection, starring 3 intensive, customizable formulas, all featuring our signature vegan botanical caviar that repair and moisturize hair to empower self-care and self-expression. The Restore collection offers the My Hair, My Canvas signature aroma with notes of citrus and cardamom, designed to deliver that spa experience you crave. From playdates to date nights, Restore rituals help restore hair to its natural, brilliant self. Dive into the Cool Hydrations Nourishing Masque for an instant hair oasis. This vegan moisturizing mask provides deep hydration, smoothing the cuticle and replenishing strands from the inside out, helping repair hair breakage while reducing frizz and static. The Cool Hydrations Nourishing Masque is formulated with vegan botanical caviar, water lily extract, and our desert fruit blend of quandong, desert lime, and wattle seed. These Australian plants are known for their natural resilience to thrive in harsh, dry climates and extreme desert temperatures. After cleansing, apply mask from mid-lengths to ends. Leave on for 2 to 3 minutes for intense treatment benefits, then rinse thoroughly. For next-level indulgence, refer to our Cool Hydration Massage tutorial video to learn an energizing, stress-reducing scalp massage. It's time to glow up with Glow Crazy Shine Booster, a high-concentrate, silicone-free vegan jelly booster designed to add brilliant shine lasting up to 10 washes while maintaining hair's overall moisture, smoothness, and manageability. Infused with vegan botanical caviar and prickly pear oil, Glow Crazy Shine Booster is the secret to radiant locks. Simply mix 1 to 2 pumps into any My Hair, My Canvas mask or conditioner. Leave in 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Style with My Hair, My Canvas Create products and shine on. Ready to make everyone jelly? The Jellyfix Repair Booster reduces breakage, improves manageability, and boosts shine, all while helping repair hair from the damaging effects of pollution. With vegan botanical caviar and white charcoal, this booster helps to repair hair naturally. To use, mix 1 to 2 pumps into any My Hair, My Canvas mask or conditioner. To soak up all its benefits, leave in 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Style with My Hair, My Canvas Create products to create a beautiful look. With this boost of reparative benefits, unlock hair's natural beauty and look ready to step into the spotlight. With Restore rituals, bad hair days will be a thing of the past. The products that help satisfy self-care rituals should feel effortless, but never lack on luxury. Responsibly restore hair. My life, my style, my hair, my canvas.